Let's end the weekend with a really cute kids painting. So this is a super easy kids one for Halloween. I'm going to take purple and white and do back and forth strokes all the way to the bottom, just like that. And then make sure you dry it really, really good before we do the rest of the detail. Taking a medium round detail brush, I'm going to do a line coming out from the left corner all the way to the middle, and then do one right above it. And one underneath it. Notice they're all starting from that corner point at the very edge. Do you see what we're doing? Always starting in that corner and pulling out. It's up to you how long you make it. I'm doing about halfway across the picture. Going to do one down, and then let's add one at the top. There we go. They're all evenly spaced. Now I'm going to take some other lines now and do kind of curved ones connecting each line. Can you guess what we're painting? Kind of looks like a spider web. And I'm going to keep connecting these lines with curved little lines in between each one. And because they fanned out, they're going to get a little smaller as you go in towards the corner. If you didn't see my video of the orb spider, everybody was telling me it was an orb spider, we found out in our driveway, we watched him create a web in like 15 minutes and it was beautiful. So this is kind of inspired off of that. I'm going to keep doing that all the way till I get to the corner. There's an easy spider web. So let's do a spider. He's hanging out from the outside here, so I'm just going to take my spouncer with black paint and press down and pull up. There is my spider body. Let's give him some legs. Taking my medium round brush again and giving him 4 legs on either side. Going up, down, and out. And then on the other side, up, down, and out. Up, down, and out. A spider has 8 legs, so we're going to do that. Ooh, I got to kind of fit these down at the bottom. Oh, there we go. So there he's hanging off the spider web. And make sure that's dry before using a smaller pouncer and giving him 2 eyeballs with some white. Add 2 black dots in the center of those eyes. Ooh, now he's looking at you. So cute. And he can't really just be floating there, so I'm going to connect him to his web with a single strand of white. There we go. So now I want to frame my eye upward, so I'm taking my mop brush again with yellow and black paint and just bouncing in some kind of brush. These can be dead leaves or grass. Yellow complements purple, so that works. And I have really bad handwriting for an artist, believe it or not, but I'm going to write boo right there and add some pops of white just for fun. There you go. There's a spooky cute painting.